I used to weigh 600 pounds and I've lost 370 pounds. And I'm going to show you guys what I bring for breakfast, lunch, and snacks to work. Let's go. Okay, first up, here's the lunchbox I'm using today. Super cute. It's in my Amazon storefront if you want to check it out. First thing I'm going to eat is a Spooky and Screams dive bar. I believe this one's 200 calories, 16 grams of protein. And then I also am bringing a banana and a low-fat string cheese. I have strawberry Greek yogurt loaded with fresh blueberries and strawberries. For later on in the day, I have a tablespoon of pumpkin cream cheese from Trader Joe's, along with some savory thins, a half a serving. So good, you guys. Sweet and savory. I love it. I'm here for it. Okay, and then for lunch, I made a wrap. This has Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese with a ton of veggies, and then the spread is a jalapeno and artichoke dip. This is only 150 calories, guys, and like 13 grams of protein. And then if I need it later in the day, I will eat one of my own dive bars. This is 190 calories and 16 grams of protein. On the way to work, I'm gonna drink a bottle of water. This is for the way home. And then while I am at work, I will drink this 64 ounces of sugar-free Crystal Light. Everything that I'm bringing today is about 980 calories and 89 grams of protein. And yes, I will have a healthy dinner and dessert, which I will show you guys tonight.